What to do before you start hiring salespeople. For many renewable energy business owners, there comes a point when growth starts to slow. The founder is carrying most of the sales responsibility. Opportunities are taking longer to convert. Customer inquiries are increasing, but revenue is not growing at the desired rate. At this point, many business owners arrive at the same conclusion. We need to hire a salesperson. Unfortunately, this is often the first mistake. Hiring salespeople before establishing a clear commercial framework is like recruiting engineers before deciding what you intend to build. The result is predictable. New salespeople struggle to gain traction. Management becomes frustrated. Sales performance becomes inconsistent. And eventually, the business concludes that it has hired the wrong person. In reality, the problem is seldom the salesperson. The problem was that the business attempted to recruit a sales team before building the system that would enable them to succeed. Before advertising a sales position, interviewing candidates, or discussing commission structures, there are several critical decisions that management should make. The following framework outlines the essential steps renewable energy businesses should take before hiring their first salesperson or expanding an existing sales team. Define your competitive strategy. Before hiring salespeople, you must decide what you want them to sell and how you expect them to win. Every successful sales organization is built upon a clearly defined and differentiated value proposition. Ask yourself, why should customers buy from us? What makes us different from competitors? What value do we create that competitors cannot easily replicate? Without clear answers, salespeople are forced to compete on price. Once the value proposition has been defined, it should be translated into a simple, compelling sales message that every future salesperson can communicate consistently. Design the sales process. Many businesses expect salespeople to figure out how to sell. This creates inconsistency, unnecessary risk, and poor customer experiences. Instead, management should design the sales process before recruitment begins. The sales process should support the company's strategy, protect the integrity of the sale, ensure legal and policy compliance, align with operational delivery processes, and create a consistent customer experience. Salespeople should enter a system that already exists rather than being expected to invent one. Define the activities required for success. Once the sales process is established, identify the activities required to execute it. These may include prospecting, discovery meetings, site assessments, proposal development, presentations, and customer handovers. Only after these activities have been defined can management determine what type of salesperson is actually required. Establish performance standards. For each sales activity, define what good performance looks like. Examples include qualification criteria, proposal standards, documentation requirements, approval processes, or handover procedures. Standards creates consistency, improve customer outcomes, and simplify performance management. Determine how targets will be measured. Before recruitment, management should understand the relationship between revenue and sales activity. Questions to answer include: how many opportunities are required to achieve target revenue? What are expected conversion rates? How many meetings are required to generate those opportunities? How much prospecting activity is needed? A salesperson should never be hired into a role where success has not been clearly defined. Build sales management systems. Many businesses hire salespeople before implementing the systems needed to manage them. Management should establish systems to track performance, manage activity, monitor pipelines, forecast revenue, identify training needs. Without management systems, problems are only discovered after targets have been missed. Design remuneration around desired behavior. Compensation plans should encourage behaviors that support company strategy. The question should not simply be, how much commission should we pay? The better question is, what behaviors do we want to encourage? Remuneration should reinforce profitable, compliant, and sustainable selling practices. Decide how success will be recognized. Recognition plays an important role in attracting, motivating, and retaining high performers. Businesses should determine how they will celebrate achievement and reinforce the behaviors they wish to see repeated. Recognition programs should reward not only results, but also adherence to company values and sales standards. In conclusion, recruiting salespeople is an important milestone in the growth of any renewable energy business. However, hiring should not be the starting point. The most successful businesses first define their strategy, design their sales process, establish management systems, and create a framework for success. Only then do they recruit people to operate within that framework. When businesses hire first and design later, salespeople are expected to create the system. When businesses design first and hire later, salespeople are able to execute the system. The difference often determines whether a sales hire becomes a growth catalyst or an expensive disappointment. Connect with me, Dion de Bruin, on LinkedIn, or visit Constructum Sales Success on YouTube for more content like this.